which way is the wind blowing the hardest? Is it blowing the green way the hardest? Is it blowing the red way the hardest? All right. So I'll test this down big. So looks like we've got some big gaps to the downside. Let's see. Let's see where these things land. Don't be shy. Share the wealth. Okay? Okay. Okay, look at the Starbucks here. I am not going to believe anything that shows strength. I'm sorry. Just not going to believe it. All right, so I'm going to short this, guys. I know it's not typical of what I teach you. Well, in a way it is. Let's see. I taught my VIP traders this weekend this. We talked about gaps today, right? So here's what you have so far, guys. Let me show you. Huh. All right. I like it. I like it. Look at that. Boom! Boom! I like it. I like it. Boom. See it? You like what you see. You like what you see. Boom! Done. $1,500, almost $1,600 on that short. I shorted right at the top there. All right, shorted right at the top. How many of you were with me this weekend and we talked about that, right? You guys are with me this weekend? Yeah. All right, so remember I was telling you, right, that stock gaps down and there's an initial tendency to go back into the gap, right? Because it's like, remember I told you my mother used to do this with me. She used to give me chores and I used to have to mop the kitchen. And she would say, Oliver, you missed a spot. And so go back and mop that spot. And that's what the market is like. Market gaps. And it's like, oh, shoot, I missed a spot. So it tries to go back, run its mop over the spot that it missed, and then return. And that tendency can create consistent profitability for you. It's nothing is never 100%. But as Starbucks was trying to fill the whole spot, I started shorting. Now, I didn't get, this would have been a $4,000 to $6,000 play if I got everything because I had orders all the way in the gap. Do you understand? That I did not get. So, let me bring up my pen here and show you. So I had orders all the way through this gap right there, right? So I only got the beginning of the orders. That's why the gain was so small. But if I had gotten the whole gap and then the drop, right? And that's how you get size. That's right. When it's dropping, I can't get size when it's dropping. So I have to chase it when it's doing that. Do you understand? I have to get size on the way up. That's where the size is. Okay? When it starts moving in my favor, it's running away from me. And so size is not available. All right, cool. Now, guys, when I'm doing this, I'm also watching Apple, right? So Apple is the leader. And if Apple is weak, right? If Apple is not strong, but something else is strong but under resistance. So you see, like, so Apple is weak, right? And something else is strong right into resistance. This is going to give way most of the time because Apple's going to pull it down. So that's what I'm also looking at with Apple and Starbucks here. So Apple was weak, but Starbucks was strong into resistance. See? I'm like, that's not real.